Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is creation. This has been your card back to back to back to back. You've been getting this a lot. What are you creating? Do not second guess your time. Do not second guess your intuition, your gifts. This is your path to freedom. Are you done clocking in for someone, working for someone, telling you what your time is worth? Your time down here is priceless. You set the price for your time because your time belongs to you. It's nothing that you can get back. So make sure you're getting paid in the top quantity, for the top tier for your efforts. You're in control of being able to create your own world right now. Stability, love, light, prosperity for yourself in this moment. Do not lack, do not falter, do not stop, stutter. Take this full speed ahead. Whatever your gift is, I need you, the world needs you, and it's going to work out for your betterment. I have the power to direct my life with constructive attitudes and a teachable heart. I create what is best for my soul. I firmly believe I can transform and improve my inner and outer worlds by turning every thought into affirmative action. It's time to put some walk behind that talk. It's time to start nailing the nails to the boards. It's time to start creating the foundation. Therefore, you're going to make sure things happen. You're determined to make sure things happen, and things will start to change for you. I act in the image of God, and I bring light into my life. It's very strong to be in the energy to be in the image of God, to be a co-creator, to do your part, and then put it back in the hands of the creator. And they're going to manifest breakthroughs for you. Everything's going to come to life. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.